be blush pink, and I just can't wait for the final result. It's gonna be amazing. They still look brand new. This is real hardwood. Start sanding the dresser. I covered a few things that I didn't want the dust to go on. Just been moving a lot of things around, so I'm just gonna cover Georgie right here and the chair, and I cover my daughter's crib. Sandpaper that I'm going to use, and I got this from Amazon.com. I will try to link everything down below. What I'm gonna do, I'm first going to cover my face because I want to be protected from the dust. I sanded the dresser. There wasn't a lot of dust, which is good. Now I'm just gonna wipe that dust. I'm ready to start painting this beautiful dresser. The color that I'm using is Parisian gray matte finish. I've done furniture with that finish and they look amazing. They're very easy to clean. I'm going to use this painting tray that I picked up at A.C Moore's for like maybe $6.99. And I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to start with a big brush. And this brush, I believe my husband picked it up at Home Depot, and the brand is Trilon, and it's a 2.5-inch brush, and it's very nice and very easy to use. I've used it before in other projects. Hi! 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 Also, this paint is non-toxic. how the hardware looks. So pretty. It's amazing. So what I'm gonna have to do when they're dry is lift this part so I can also spray paint the bottom of that. But I'm gonna wait till the like really dry. I had to put stones on the boxes because it's so windy right now. So I'm gonna have to retouch a few of them too once they're dry because it's so windy. The paint was like flying away. And this is the paint that I used. And I got this from the Home Depot. Now I'm getting ready to do the second coat on the dresser, and I always like to inspect my work and the painting, see how the paint is. So over here, so you can see it looks a little clumpy. Maybe it was just a little thick and just dry that way. So what I do, I just go over it to see where I can sand it and then just paint over it. So slightly, I just grab a piece of sandpaper and I just sand it slightly, so that it can be nice and smooth again.